Hey everyone, how is it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to list a property with Coldwell Banker. At first you need to head over to coldwellbanker.com and make sure you have an account, and then we're gonna click on sell, and then we're gonna click on how to sell a home, and then you're gonna put in your home address. So we just say random Mexico address, let's say this one, and we generate any. So we'll go for Control C, Control V, let's paste it, and I don't know if this will show anything that is real. As you can see, we were unable and to do this, but once they'll find your home, what they will show is how much is the estimate, and from there do you want to directly connect to an agent or to an office. And then once you put in your property into there, they will contact you and then let you know the further process to do things, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.